Are you looking to take your workout progress up a notch and see faster results than you ever have before? You're gonna need to take things to a whole new level. Introducing Anabolic Cooking, the ultimate cookbook and complete nutrition guide for bodybuilding and fitness. Discover why so many people are incapable of following their meal plans and why most diets don't work. Anabolic Cooking will turn you into the cook you never thought you could be. And you will learn everything you will ever need to know about how to save time, save money, cook healthy, muscle-building meals and start enjoying life again. With over 200 healthy anabolicious recipes, you will never be bored with your diet again. In this book you will find more than 200 anabolicious recipes, done-for-you meal plans, anabolic cooking and nutrition fundamentals, a virtual cooking class, tips to prepare all your meals for the week in less than 3 hours, my best post-workout nutrition secrets and tactics, money-saving tips, how to build your anabolic cooking kitchen on a budget. Here's the top 5 misconceptions about cooking and eating for bodybuilding and fitness. Number 1. You are convinced that bodybuilding and fitness nutrition must be plain, boring and taste terrible. Number 2. You don't think that there is such thing as a delicious meal that will taste like something you'd eat at a restaurant and promote muscle building and fat loss at the same time. Number 3. You think that you are incapable of cooking, and you don't feel confident and comfortable enough in the kitchen to prepare tasty meals. Number 4. You think it is going to take all of your precious time to make a full week's worth of meals, and that eating pre-packaged food and takeout will be a real time saver. Number 5. You are worried and absolutely positive that a trip to the grocery store will cost you an arm and a leg. Stop failing at your diet and learn the secrets of cooking and eating for real results. Having a book like Anabolic Cooking on hand makes it easy to maintain my physique all year long. This is limited time offer that will end soon, so click the link below and order yours today.
We hope our short review has helped you decide if this is right for you. If you're ready to take action, click on the link in the description below.